Okay, it's a beautiful day for sanding, so I've cut my pieces already for sanding, and I'm getting ready to sand some pieces that I cut. I'll show them. Thought I'd do some new pieces, round pieces. It's ones that's got corner. I try to stay away from the corners of the plate, but I'm gonna see if I can sand that down because it's a pretty piece of the plate. I made some with some earrings that's gonna match. Just some, and then I'm gonna try to sand them all today and drill the holes today. I'm getting ready to put water in my sander. Okay, so you take the plate off. I have replaced, I've already put a new diamond bit on this. I made a video, I haven't posted yet, it was real simple. It took a Allen wrench and I undid it, but locating it was a little difficult because this thing only came with one bit, not replacement bit. So I put a little bit of warm water in here because it's still chilly out here. That should be enough. You can see water's almost up to, see if that's enough. Just trying to put the phone closer. About fall. The sponge kind of keeps it splatter. It will splatter. I may have to move the phone. You want the water to cool up over the. It's so bright out here. I don't know if you can see it or not. You want the water to cool up over the door.